Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Word on your iPhone and signing in. This lets you use templates, autosave, and cloud sync. Once signed in, grant files and photos access so you can open documents and insert images. Tap New to create a blank doc or choose Open to pick a file from OneDrive, iCloud, or on my iPhone. Do this now so your edits are saved automatically. It prevents lost work and ensures templates and collaborative features are available when you begin typing. You create content by tapping the document body and using the toolbar. Choose styles to keep headings consistent and apply bold or bullets for emphasis. Once done with text, tap Insert to add images, tables, or links. Pinch to zoom and position elements precisely. Make sure to use the review tools for comments and track changes when collaborating because they preserve context for reviewers. If you need a specific layout, switch to print layout to see spacing and margins as they will appear when printed or exported. You finish by confirming autosave is on. This syncs your changes to OneDrive or iCloud so you can access them on other devices. To share, tap Share, choose Invite, and set edit or view permissions. This enables real-time collaboration. To export, use Save As to create a PDF or new Word file. If sync or opening fails, force close Word, reconnect to Wi-Fi, and verify your Microsoft sign-in and available storage. This resolves most issues and gets you back to editing quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.